Rather cut down.
Which one? This one.
That's already broken. This one here.
Seems up.
This one is almost broken. Odogo mama. Don't break the branches. We need them.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Progress, and currently I'm living a village life, and so far so good. What you're seeing on the screen is me harvesting firewood for cooking, and this video really reminds me of what I used to do when I was a child in my grandma's house. This is what we used to do whenever it's holiday season, harvesting firewood for cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch it to the end. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe, share, like, and then thumbs me up. Thank you. Ooh. Oh yeah. Bye. I'm going home. This is what I've been able to gather. I'm going home. Oh. Get out of my way. Go up. Look at.
Puppy!
Excuse me.
Puppy! If you fall,
Yeah, I did it. Where are they? Oh. Come now. How did they pass now? How did you guys get there? How did they waka?
if you cross here,
Come.